Hello everyone, my name is Onyekwe Kelechi Mark, Unity Student Ambassador, Nigeria. I want to use this medium to thank everyone who participated in Unity the Tour event held by a couple of student ambassadors. Um, we really appreciate. Thank you for coming on board, organizers, speakers, participators. Don't stop being the content creator that you are. We need a lot of content, and don't stop using Unity technologies. The possibilities are endless. Thank you very much, and we'll meet again.
So, hello guys, my name is Kevin Jenga and I'm a game developer. And it has never been easier to make your own games and short films with so many wonderful resources which are offered by Unity. And I believe that Unity is one of the most popular game engines which is free, and it has a very simple simple to understand interface, and I believe that Unity offers a great ecosystem which attracts us as developers for third-party content models, textures, plugins, etc. For example, you can also use the multiplayer function, and there's no better time to start making games than right now. And Unity makes creating world-class games possible with minor prior knowledge. You can start by watching tutorials, and then if you get stuck you can head over to the official Unity documentation, and then if you get stuck also you can go to the Unity Connect group, which is an online social platform which they can answer all your challenges. And finally, creating games is an art, and I believe that you should be doing it because you love it, not because you are forced to it. And when you come up with a game concept, always remember not to imitate others, but instead try to create a game that you would also want to play. And also, I would encourage you to partner with others, to do collabs with others, as during the collab also you also learn, since each person brings his or her expertise. And with all that, I say thank you to Unity.
First of all, thank you for inviting me to the store and for giving me the opportunity to learn more about what Unity can offer. I extend my appreciation for all the speakers that made a great effort throughout this session and also made them entertaining. I hope this is not the last tour, and I'm very excited to what will come next in the future. Till next time.
Hi guys, my name is Joseph Makonge. I am a game developer. I have been using Unity Game Engine for the past 1 year. The experience has been great, it has been fantastic. I have really learned a lot about Unity thanks to YouTube tutorials, courses from Udemy, ebooks, and even the Unity community. I'd really like to encourage each and every one of you who has a game idea or who would like to create a game to use Unity Game Engine, since it's free, it's easy to learn, it has vast amount of resources, and it's user friendly. Thank you.
Hello there, my name is Yanju from Kenya. I'm here to give my experience on Unity Student Ambassador, the tour, which was happening from July 20th up to this month. It has really been an amazing experience. I was able to learn a lot from people from all around the world, and it's really amazing to see people coming together and teaching each other the things they know. I'm sure that even if you are a little advanced in Unity, if you go to the YouTube channel and view these videos, I'm sure you learn a lot. We learned from rudimentary concepts like just building a basic game to advanced concepts like Unity Barracuda, and also Unity Dots that is being implemented in Unity right now. So this has been such an amazing thing, and we have learned so much from people all around the world, from the United States to India, and it has just been such a cool place to just interact with people. I really hope we can do this next year and another year, because I really think it's a nice resource for people to be able to learn easily. For this, I would really like to thank Unity Student Ambassadors for organizing this, and by extension, I would also like to thank Unity itself because of what they did and how they did it. It was a very efficient thing, very well organized, and we were able to learn a lot. So thank you, Unity. Thank you, Unity Student Ambassadors. I hope we do this another time. Thank you.